This is how you create the perfect email signature for yourself or your business. The only thing you need to do is to open up a new Google Docs, and then you want to insert a 2x1 table like that. So it looks like this. Make it a bit bigger, something like that, and drag the center line to the left. Next, and click this arrow. Mark all the borders like that and set the border size to 0 points. Do the same with the other side, like that. Arrow down, mark them all, and set them to 0. Now your table is invisible. On the left side, we want to add a profile image. So let's add your profile image right here. Click Insert, Image, and then Upload from Computer. So it looks like that. Next step, add your name and information on the right side. So it looks like this. Email addresses will automatically be linked. But for Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, your social media channels, you want to insert links. So do like that and insert a link like this. It's ready. So now you want to mark it all like this. Go ahead and copy it. Go to your Gmail settings. So click that icon, scroll all the way down till you get the signature. Then create a new one and paste it in here. Just like that. There it is. And next time you compose an email, it's right there and all these links are clickable. So that's how you make the perfect email signature.